Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the benchmark test on the ROG Phone 3. Yes friends, finally I did receive the ROG Phone 3 which I did order in the Flipkart, and this is my day 1 of using the ROG Phone 3. And let's see how much the benchmark scored the ROG Phone 3 with the 8GB RAM variant and 128GB inbuilt storage and Snapdragon 865 plus chipset, and you're having the UFS storage 3.1 LPDDR5 RAM type. So right now I did not install any kind of applications, nothing at all. Only one game, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game, which I'll try to do the review very soon. So stay tuned for those videos. So out of the box, let's see what will be the benchmark score in this Asus ROG Phone 3 in the 2021. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. Let me try to disable the Wi-Fi connection, so I don't want Wi-Fi. So all the background apps are completely clean. And let's open the benchmark application. And this is my first time. I did try to do this kind of benchmark test in this ROG Phone 3. So as soon as I open the benchmark application, the X mode got activated. So without X mode, so I don't want to add any kind of X mode. Let's see, without X mode, what will be the benchmark score for this ROG Phone 3. Right now my room temperature is only 28.6 degrees and there is no AC, there is no cooler. And right now the temperature is of 31 degrees. It's pretty normal, not bad. 31 degrees only, as you can see exactly. And I'm trying to do this kind of benchmark test using the 144Hz refresh rate. You can clearly see on the top of the notification 144Hz refresh rate, which I did turn on. I'm just trying to mention in case if you are curious about that. Let me try to give the permission and I'll be back. So let's start the test right now. So test has been successfully started right now, friends, and let's see how much the score we're gonna get here. Again, the X mode has been activated even for the benchmark 3D bench as well, but I did disable the X mode. So without using any kind of X mode, I just want to see what will be the benchmarks in this device with the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset. That's what my main motive of testing. And I'll let you do the loudspeaker test as well. Loudspeaker, wow, it's fantastic, friends. The speaker in this phone, I feel really great using this device. So we did see the temperatures, it's of 31 degrees in the starting, 32 degrees. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures, how much it can actually increase. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates on the ROG Phone 3. I'll try to create the playlist as well separately, which you can actually follow and regularly. And don't forget to check my about info in case if you want to buy any kind of used phones from me. That will be really helpful for you and even for me. So I'm going to be back after some time continuously doing the benchmark test, and then we can actually discuss more details what is happening with the benchmarks in this ROG Phone 3. Right now, let's check the temperatures in the beginning. Right now, it's of 34 degrees, not bad. It's only 34 degrees at this moment in the beginning of the test. So whenever the percentage is kind of close to 46 and 45%, that is when the temperatures will be higher. But right now I can only see the maximum is of 34 degrees at this moment. It's not that high, so not bad. So in terms of maintaining very low temperatures, and let's see what will be the benchmark score. So usually what happens is that in the Snapdragon 870 or other phones, so they'll tend to get slightly kind of high temperatures like close to 37 degrees and 38 degrees during this benchmark test. So I'm going to be back after some time just to show you what is happening with the benchmarks in this ROG Phone 3. So it's of 74% at this moment, 74%, and the temperature is of close to 35 degrees, 35 Celsius, 34 and 35 Celsius, not bad. And the back side is of 35 Celsius, as you can see, 33 and 35. Somewhere around here we are getting 35 Celsius, that's it, not much. It's not that too high in terms of the temperature, I can definitely say that. So I'm going to be back after some time just continuing this kind of benchmarks. So finally, friends, we got the benchmark score right now, which is about 6,80,000 of benchmarks in the ROG Phone 3, which has a Snapdragon 865 plus chipset. As I said, it did come close to Snapdragon 870. So right now we are seeing the Snapdragon 870 kind of close to 6,90,000, 6,70,000. I mean, maybe close to 7 lakhs as well, somewhere around that. But overall, it's really great to see this kind of performance in this phone. And the surprising part is that regarding the temperatures, you can see how cool it maintained. Like 30 degrees to 34 degrees, it just increased little bit, only 3.5 degrees. That's fantastic, friends. That is what I did like. The temperatures is not getting that high. So usually in the other phones, what happens is that the temperature slightly increases up to, as you can see, so 7 degrees and 12 degrees, sometimes 5.5 degrees in the iQOO 7 device. The iQOO 7 with the Snapdragon 870, as you can see exactly. The temperature will always be above 5 degrees and 7 degrees, as you can see, 7 and 12, somewhere around that every time. But in this one, ROG Phone 3, that's one thing which I did like. The cooling system may be slightly kind of better. That's what my initial impressions. But stay tuned for more updates, friends. Don't worry. I'll definitely do the in-depth testing on this one as soon as possible. But initial benchmark scores were really, I'm impressed. So thank you for watching, friends. Again, I'll be back with the next upcoming videos, and stay tuned. And don't forget to follow the playlist for more information regarding the ROG Phone 3, which I did created just now. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and bye.